How to change country in paid work. So here, this video I'll be teaching how to change country on paid work. So here on paid work, this is very useful for those who are switching to countries, or the countries they have here, or the apps or stuff right here on their earning and tasks are available only on different countries, and you don't have much to do because some of those apps are not worldwide. So here I'll be teaching how to set it back to its normal location and whatnot. All we need to do is open up our settings, and once our settings open up, press on the settings on the bottom right corner right here. After pressing on that, you will see general right there. Press on general when you're ready. After pressing on general right here, below theme, dark theme is country. There you go, Philippines. Press on that right there. As you see, now we can choose what to call this, a country that you like or you lived in. Let's say USA. So we're just gonna go down till you find about the United States. Press on that right there. There you go. Now, to make sure you get paid, please submit all requirement documents must be uploaded in JPEG, PNG, or PDF format. Now you need to just put in each either password, identity card, or driver's license, depending on you. And then you'll be now all good when you're gonna get paid. So yeah, there you go, guys. Now we're just gonna go back, put it back Philippines. If you want, you can just search it up. Look at what I'm doing right here, Philippines. Then press on that right there. There you go. Now when you go back, there you go. Now we're back to normal. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns or anything, you can type it in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible. And here, how to rock it. And thank you, guys.